Welcome to WUH Creator. In this video, we're going to learn how to hide and unhide a folder in Windows using a simple command method. Before we start, remember one important condition: the folder you want to hide must be inside a partition and should not contain any spaces in its name. For example, our folder name here is English Movies. Notice there's no space between English and Movies. If your folder name has spaces, this method might not work correctly. Now, let's begin. Click on the address bar or path of the folder and type CMD, then press Enter. Here, type the command attrib +H +R +S. Now type folder name. In our case, the folder name is English Movies, so we type English Movies. Now press Enter. And as you can see, the folder is now hidden. To unhide it, follow the same process again. Click the address bar, type CMD, and press Enter. Then type attrib _H _R _S. Now type folder name. Folder name was English Movies. Press Enter. And your folder is back. So, this was all about how to hide and unhide a folder in Windows using simple CMD commands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WUH Creator for more informative tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.